Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great weekend and a great Saturday. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Oh, get it off of there. All right. Now, this bag comes from Fansells, and as you remember, all three of the kits, there was something wrong with it, so Ryan so kindly reshipped them all out, and let's find out how they are. So the first one is a 16 by 16. It was $2.86. Let's get it out of the bag here. If they have any specials, let me tell you that first. If they have any specials or discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, I will put them right in here before we get started. Probably like to see what it looked like. It's the Geese and the pumpkin. Loss of losses. Oh, okay. I never even paid attention to its name. So it's not very big, as you saw. Does have two sets of numbers. Top set goes to the paper pattern. Bottom set goes to the canvas. It is 63 by 62, so it's real tiny. It has 28 colors. No 310 black. Let's see. I think what they're using for black is that pewter color, the 3799. So you only have one color in backstitch, one in French knot, and 4 in half cross stitches, and those are going to probably be in the background. So yeah, let's take a look at the canvas, and it's really a tiny canvas, so I'm glad that they put it, you know, the key and everything. It's not smudged, it's not smeared, everything looks perfect. I'll put my hand underneath it because I can't fold it or anything, but it is very easy to see, and see where that turquoise and that orange is, and this red, those are all half cross stitches. It's just like a shadow. So very nice, very neat, and very easy to see. Let's look at those colors. It does come on one of those lovely thread cards where it tells you all the information, and it does have the product code that was up on front, and 2 needles. So we have lots of oranges and kind of tannish brown, and then a brown, and then like a light brown, but mostly oranges, yellows. I'm not seeing any red, so well, no, that's kind of a dark bittersweet. So yeah, it's got really cute. I like the picture. Start out, I like the geese. It reminds me of the goose in Kung Fu Panda. Yeah. For some reason, I just like them. And I like what they do and all that. So I've got a couple other ones like that. So that turned out really well. Thank you. Okay. The second one. These are all 3 Joy Sunday kits. So let's check on this one. They all come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. All right. And this one is called the Forest Playground 3, 22 by 19. And it was $3.12. So these 2 kits are not too big, not real expensive. You get both of them for under $6. Yeah. But yeah, I just thought this was cute. So it was whimsical, and yeah. So we'll put that up there. And it also has the top part being the paper patterns key, and the bottom one is the canvas key. Let's see here. We have 28 colors. We have 310 black. I'm not seeing any reds. Maybe 720. It looks kind of like an orange. And they're using B5200 for the white. So this only has regular cross stitch and back stitch. No French knots, no half stitch. So it's very, very simplistic. And I wouldn't say that the back stitching is horrible. Not at all. All you have to do is go around. Let me show you on the big picture. The flowers, a few lines here around that little ladder. Kind of around the outsides of the foxes and whatever they're holding. Oh, and there are two birds right here. No big deal. So, shouldn't take that long at all. But I just thought it was cute. 97 by 80. Does come on the good thread cards. If I get it, everybody undone. And 2 needles and the product number. So there's your 310 black. Oh, that's kind of weird. Never had that color. It looks like a pale yellow-green, maybe? Got a little bit of a purple. That's 601. Like I said, it's more of a raspberry color. But we have oranges and yellows and browns. Because you got to do those pumpkins, you know. And some greens. And another purple. And kind of a dark brown. So very nice. Very nice. Beautiful colors. Beautiful autumn, fall colors. Let's see what the canvas looks like. And the canvas is perfect. Just perfect. Oh, that's what I was supposed to be stitching. Yeah, I tried to start stitching this, and I got over here, and this became like a gray area. It was like, not happening. But see how small the symbols are here on the canvas? They are serged all the way around because that's just what Joy Sunday does. But since it's so small, the key, it's nice to have it on the paper pattern. Because I just put it in the little window when I stitch it. I'll put this where I can see it. So if I have to look something up, I'll know that I got the right number. In case there's 2 greens or 2 purples or 2, yeah. I have had a couple of those kits, so. But this looks very nice, very clear. Thank you so much, Ryan, for sending these. I just love them. I like the little snacky size, you know. Cold winter day, you could just go for broke, you know. Who cares what the picture is? Just stitch, you know. Some days I just need that. It's just part of my makeup now, and if I don't get to stitch, I get really cranky. I'm coming. Dying of thirst, man. Standing out there in that wind yesterday. It just did me in. Alright, last but not least. This is the one I really, really loved. It's a little bit bigger than that one, believe me. It's not huge by any means, I don't think. Joy Sunday bag. Yeah. It is Butterfly Fairy. She is 62 by 54. And this was $14.41. And this one is 11 count. Believe it or not. It says Butterfly Fairy 14, but it's an 11 count. So, I just loved all the colors in this and all the elements. I just think it's beautiful. Just beautiful. You got mushrooms and butterflies and trees and shrubbery and all this going on, you know, that's flying around the air, kind of like when it's fall and the wind blows, and yeah. And those are all butterflies. Well, not all butterflies. We have leaves and butterflies. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. I'm not seeing too... Oh, well, beyond that butterfly, but don't see any other butterflies, but they could be there. Beautiful pattern. It is 224 by 192. I'm just looking, and we're going to have some back stitching. Yep, just a bit. But you want to bring out all those elements that are flying around her. So, yeah, I think it'll be gorgeous. And all this behind her, right, and it goes up and it comes around. Other than the leaves, well, they may be half cross stitches too. I was going to say, all that is half cross stitch. Except for her. She's got some half cross stitch in her too. But beautiful pattern. It'll take a hot moment. What have we got going here? I believe there's 2 pages. There we go. Now this one, let me look and make sure I'm not lying, because stuff happens around here and I say one thing and it happens. Okay. There are 45 colors. You have 29 colors in full stitch and a whole bunch. Probably 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 18. 18 colors in half cross stitch and 2, 4, 6, 7 in back stitch. We have 310 black, 666 red, no 823, no 939. We have 938 though. And no 3865 or B5200. So they may be using another lighter color as like a white highlight color. I'm not sure. But yeah, oh my god, yeah. This will be a hot moment, but it's an 11 count, so it's not like you're squinting to see everything. So let's take a look at the beautiful colors. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get everybody going in the right direction here. It has 2 needles. I thought there were 3 there. You have extra of number 22. 22 is 938. So it's kind of a medium to dark brown. I'm just going to take them apart here. And then I'm going to fold that down so don't lose my needles. We'll put that aside for a second because I want you to see the rest of these colors. They are stunning. Look at those blues and that, I guess it's like a dark yellow orange. Kind of rust colors to browns to purples, jelly bean purple. There's that 3799, I think. I have to get used to saying that one. And over here we have rust and green. We even have bubblegum pink. Kind of a pale pink over here. Maybe these parts go to her face. Maybe. Look at that brown and the green, and look at the rich orangish tones. Just stunning. Stunning job. Purple says, wait! Beautiful, beautiful colors. Yeah, I am very happy with the colors in this. Just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Cornucopia. Beautiful, rich autumn to winter colors. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's take a look at that canvas. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, this thing's as big as Autumn House. Hold on, got it upside down as usual. All right, look at that canvas. And this is going to be one of those that looks like blobs until you get all that back stitching in there. Yep, but the canvas is nice. I'm going to try to fold it. Then I get it too close and you can't see. But very clear, easy to see symbols. Even right in here, these symbols, this brownish That's all half cross stitch, I believe. Yep, they're very easy to see on an 11 count. So that should not be an issue. We are going to start this and we're going to use either brown, orange, or red. So that's the criteria for November. I know, sad but true. But nice big key, beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, I am so pleased. Because, yeah, and I'm thrilled sick. I didn't remember that it was 11 count, so that makes me even more thrilled sick. But very nice. Very easy to see symbol. Yep. Sometimes the half cross stitch is a little hard to see on 14 count. Unless it's just going, you know it's going to be the background. But if it's mixed in, sometimes it's a hot moment. All right. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so much for resending those kits. I am thrilled sick with each and every one of them. And we're going to start one of them today. For sure. Now, Fansells has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They usually have great sales and a great selection. They also have puzzles. They have wax sealing, music boxes even. And they do customs for diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And I am pretty sure that they have, yes, I know they do. What am I saying? Pretty sure. They have beaded cross stitch. That's where I got my tiger from. I love my tiger. All right. Thank you for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.